Hello, we coordinators team welcome you to hostel mess management system. Actually, this system is for the hostel mess accountants who accounts all the details of the meals taken by student every day on schedule. And actually, in our hostel, what happens is the accountant keep a register with him. The student come and take meal, then he tick mark on that against the roll number of that student. And after all the student have eaten their meals, the accountant calculate a price of meals and extras taken by student and calculate them by hand on register and create the database. Actually, the efficiency of this process is very low as observed by us in our hostels. So we created this software to help those accountants to efficiently do their work and to efficiently account the details of every student of the hostel. So here we go. First we make the account of accountant. First we make account of accountant by signing up. Let's say give the username CVRYN and password CVRYN. Then we confirm the password by writing CVRYN. Then submit. Your account has been created. Then click next. Then we add meals. All the meals which we will offer to students in whole week. So we add the meals. Let's say butter chicken special, and what will be its ingredient? Butter chicken, chapati, sauce. Let's say if we make sauce an extra, that if a student take more sauce, we will charge him. The mess will charge him. Then we add it to extra and make it rupees 10. Extra ID we give it 10. Actually, extra ID should be greater than 10 and add it to list. And after that, we give price to the meal. Let's say 100 rupees and add it to the database. By same way, we add lots of meal. By this way, we add all the meals to the database. Actually, we take rough data like meal name is A, B, C, E, F, G, K, something. We can also delete and update meals from here, like delete selected K is deleted, and also we can update meal from here by clicking on update. Then we go to next. Here we add our extras, all the extras which we wanted to give in the mess. Actually, sauce, this and this extras are already added with the meals. So these are also, already listed in the list. Then if we want to add more extras, then we can write extras name. Let's say extra name is A, price is 34, and ID I said greater than 10. Add to extra. Successfully added. So we listed all the meals by same process. We can also update and delete from here. Then we click on next. Here in this panel we schedule all the meals which we will offer to students every day. Like first we schedule breakfast meals. We can set breakfast, dinner, lunch or supper which student want. Then first if we click breakfast, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that what meals we will gonna give to students on Monday breakfast. Like on Monday breakfast, if we want to give a, yeah, and butter chicken, yes, then we save it. Then these two meals will be given to student on Monday breakfast. Then if we want to schedule on Tuesday breakfast, CF. If we want to dinner, Monday dinner, butter chicken, tea, and on Tuesday, a. By this we have scheduled all the meals, and we also scheduled for Wednesday dinner. And then if we want to add more meals, we can click here and add even more meals. Then we click on next. Here we configure our students database. We enter the database all the students against which we calculate the total price or total cost of total amount of food which every student has eaten. So first we add student name, like say Karan, branch CSC, roll number 1, add to database, and let's say X, roll number 2, branch CSC, add to database. By this way we added 5 students. Let's say for our data we added 5 students, and then after this configuration process is completed, then we click on done and our main panel will open. And actually the time for today is Wednesday and it is 10:59, so it is listed at dinner Wednesday 4/25/2011. So on dinner the student listed are X, Karan this, and these are the meals against Wednesday. That on Wednesday dinners these meals will be given to student A, C, T, butter chicken special, Y, G, B, F, and extras are listed here. So how this will gonna work? So let's say Karan come to the counter and he asks for meal A. Then we click on accountant, we click on A, and then he takes the A and 1 is added to his meal. Let's say he brings his friend with him and he asks one meal for his friend too. So it will gonna 2. So like this, if he also asks for butter chicken, then we click 1 on butter chicken. Butter chicken will also be added to his database. Let's say if Karan take more sauce, then we first select the Karan and then click on sauce. Then 1 sauce added. Then this sauce will add it to roll number 1. So like this process, if I take this and if Karan also take extra R, this. So now all the database has created. So if we want the account of Karan, that how much Karan has eaten on this day, so we can go on student account. We enter roll number 1, show details. Then it will show Karan, CSC, and then we want to check the database of like say 2 days. Then we select 4th of the month, and it's 25, and here is 2012 account details. So in dinner he has eaten the total of 361, and he has taken meals A2 butter chicken 1, Y2 G1, and sauces 1, R and R. By this process we calculated all the information of student. So this is very easy process, and accountant don't have to do such a labor. So this is the motive of our project, and the targeted audience is of course the accountant in the hostel mess who registers every detail of the student meals information. So thank you very much. Thank you.